Hey everybody, Marcus here. Our Cybertruck was made in September of 2024, which means it's coming up on 2 years old, and it's time to do some standard maintenance on the truck. So today we're going to go over changing the cabin HEPA air filter and replacing the world's largest wiper blade. Keep on watching. First step for the cabin air filter is to turn the climate control off. And then we're also going to pop the frunk. Next step is going to be popping the cover off the frunk here. I'm using a little plastic trim piece, or a spudger, they're also known as. And we'll just pop that off like that. And that comes off real easy. Next up is popping the cover off the filter area there. Just a little bit easier with the trim piece. There's 3 clips here. Once those are loose, this just pivots out and you can take it out like that. We'll take the old filter out here and you can see airflow is pointed up. You want to remember that. On the right, we have the old filter, about 2 years old. On the left is the brand new one that we're going to be installing. Installing the new filters is simple as making sure those arrows are facing up like the old one was, and sliding this in to the back, taking that cover, and clipping it in like that. Now we'll just put the cover back on the frunk area here. Make sure it clips in at the top and the sides. And that's that. Now that that's all installed, we'll go into the service menu here, into maintenance, find the HEPA filter, and click record, and we're all finished. All right, we're all finished. That took less than 5 minutes to replace this filter. This is the stock OEM option from Tesla. This costs $100 from the shop. This is the old one, the new one's in there already. Tesla service charges $16 to do this. It's literally just unclipping that and doing that in about 5 minutes. Definitely worth saving the $16 and doing it yourself. So another easy maintenance project done on the Cybertruck. Let's get on to the wiper blade. Next up is going to be replacing the largest wiper blade of any passenger vehicle. Now, Tesla recommends changing these every year. I don't really get that much rain here in California, so it's been 2 years for this one, but let's get into it. Before you get started, make sure you go into the menu here and turn the wipers off so it doesn't do anything crazy while you're working on it. All right, you'll want to find the little square that you can depress on the top here. Press that down and grab the wiper. It does take a fair amount of force, and pull it away like that. Now you want to disconnect the tube here that dispenses the wiper fluid up to the blade. There's 2 points here. Make sure you disconnect it right here. All righty. Now that the wiper fluid tube is disconnected here, you can take the old blade out. Rest it on that microfiber to protect the windshield. And it's time to grab the new blade. All right, we've got the new blade here, so we'll lift this up, get the wiper fluid tube here, get that connected to the new one, just sliding it on like that. And we'll get the new blade installed here. Just turning it a little bit. This one is bent quite a bit. And slotting it in like that. And we're done. Last thing to do is to go into the service menu, go into maintenance, find the wiper blades, hit record on that one, and we are good for another year. Okay, that's another easy maintenance project done on the Cybertruck. Now, the wiper blade for the truck is $75 on Tesla's shop. I don't know that it is available anywhere else, unfortunately. Tesla service charges about $20 to have this installed, so If you watched the video and did it, pat yourself on the back, just saved yourself 20 bucks. All right, so if you just did those 2 projects, you saved yourself about 40 bucks versus going through Tesla's service. Like I said in the videos, the cabin air filter and the wiper were $175, $100 for the filter, $75 for the wiper blade. Service wants about 40 bucks to put those in. So if you watched the video, it took about 15 minutes here and we got those both done. Our 2-year maintenance is done on the Cybertruck. Gonna pour some wiper fluid into it and call it a day. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a good one.